So after receiving wrong t-shirt from wrong, I had ordered one more jersey from RCB website. So let me see how this jersey looks like. I was little disappointed last time because I had ordered one polo t-shirt and one RCB t-shirt, RCB jersey, but I had received two polo t-shirts, so I had to order RCB jersey once again because of the affection I have towards RCB. Yo. Luckily this time they have sent the correct t-shirt, but let me see how the quality is like. Paid 1,000 rupees for this t-shirt and the quality is little disappointing because there are a lot of wrinkles here. I'm not sure whether it was being used by someone or not. But that's okay, it is nice, it is looking very good. I love this black and red combination. Any t-shirt which has black and red I always buy, and the quality of this is decent enough, but I bought this because it is from RCB. Okay, so RCB is playing well this time. I hope Isala Cup Namde. Bye bye.